Hey XRP Army, Leo here, your trusted crypto insider who's been riding the Ripple wave since the SEC storm first hit. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button now and join the fam. We're about to unpack intel that could flip your entire portfolio on its head. Buckle up, because today, October 26, 2025, XRP isn't just moving, it's done coiling. And if you've got 2,000 in your stack, this could change everything. Picture this. XRP is up 4.9% to 259 overnight, smashing through that 260 support like it was paper, with ETF inflows hitting 100 million and 6-spot filings staring down the SEC. That's not a blip. That's the ignition. And here's the shocker blowing up my feed right now. Ripple just snagged full regulatory licensing as Ripple broke with over 500 likes. Green light for global rails. Stick around, because by the end, you'll see why this isn't hype. It's your ticket to life-altering gains. But first, quick disclaimer. None of this is financial advice. I'm dropping data-driven insights. Always do your and talk to a pro. Alright, let's crack this open like a vault of untapped liquidity. We're going deep, step by step, on why XRP's surge is locked in, blending fresh X chatter with charts that don't lie. Think of XRP as that overlooked engine in a Ferrari. Everyone's eyeing the shiny BTC body, but XRP's the turbo making cross-border payments scream at warp speed. Start with the mechanics. Yesterday's dip to 2.46 tested the 4-hour EMA, but boom, bulls defended it hard, flipping resistance into support. As Investori nailed in his thread this morning, with 20 years in the game, XRP is charging for its next move, coil phase nearly done. He's got the MAs stacked bullish. MA7 over MA25 over MA99. RSI at 47.8, mirroring the pre-breakout calm of last cycle. Volumes dipping. That's smart money accumulating, not fleeing. Exchange reserves down 2% per on-chain data. Right now we're in that sweet spot. Support at 257, 258, breakout zone 265, 285, targeting $3, 310 on a clean snap. Probability? His calc, 70% before October 29th, tied to the Fed's rate call. That's not guesswork. That's Fibonacci whispering sweet nothings. Layer in the real-time fire from X Insider Alpha you won't snag on CNBC. Bark Meta dropped a bombshell today, racking 500 plus likes. XRP is primed for 10 plus, the suppression is over, weights lifted, prepare for face-melting gains. He's echoing what Aish crypto news pod Zoa just alerted. XRP eyes $3 breakout. AI predicts 290 by Novi 1, bulls holding $2.60 like Fort Knox. Communities lit, replies flooding with hodl forever, and memes of Ripple CEOs high-fiving whales. And get this, it XRP post on the 6-spot ETF filings, Grayscale, 21 shares, Bitwise, all deadlines hit October 18 to 25, has 200 likes and counting. SEC's clock is ticking. Polymarket odds at 99% approval. That's institutional FOMO in overdrive, folks. Half of BTC's ETF inflows could pump XRP to $22 per Tom Lee's wild but data-backed dream. But wait, what if this isn't just technical fireworks? What if fundamentals are the real rocket fuel? Ripple's not playing small, they're building empires. Today's buzz? White House repping at swell November 4 to 5, as Bull Runners HQ broke with 150 likes, first ever nod to blockchain policy. Pair that with the 1B Treasury raise and Evernorth's SPAC backed by Pantera, and you've got liquidity bridges to banks handling trillions. Imagine Swift, but instant and fee-free. XRP is the bridge currency for a $120 trillion remittance market. Finance magnates is screaming it. October predictions hit 325, 362 on 15 ETF apps and Q4 seasonality. Standard Chartered's doubling down at 550, EOY. Why? Because ISO 2022 is live, and XRP is compliant. Central banks aren't waiting, they're integrating. AMBI's video this morning, 390 likes. November is coming for XRP. Spot on, with FOMC cuts flooding alts like 2021's 300% rip. Rhetorical curveball. Ever wonder why XRP's burn rate spiked 29% today? It's deflationary dynamite, supply shrinking as utility explodes. On-chain metrics show inverse head and shoulders forming, neckline at 2.79, break that, and we're ATH hunting to $4.50 plus. True ADA degen crunched it. MC at 155B, vol 3.68B, strong inflow signal rally. Easy analogy. XRP's like email in the fax era, clunky legacy systems are dying, and XRP's the upgrade everyone's craving. Today's web surge? Trading news calling 345 breakout as ETF assets top $100. FOMO real yet? Hold that thought, because up next, we're gut-punching the myths keeping you up at night. If you've been side-eyed by dips, this restores the fire. But hey, drop a like if you're stacking. YouTube loves the signal. Shifting to the myths 8 minutes in, time to bury 'em. Myth 1, XRP's chain to Ripple drama, dead asset, laughable. SEC settled March 2025 with a 50-minute slap. Clarity unlocked the floodgates. Crypto Newscom's fresh take. XRP preparing final expansion phase. Price target incoming. Views climbing, reactions pure hype. Flippening starts now. If you're doubting like the Reddit bears, flashback to 2023 0.30 bloodbath. That was your 800% buy signal. Same pattern, bigger war chest, regulatory renaissance, as Bitmorpho charted, with 1B Treasury Thunder. Myth 2. ETFs? Pipe dream. Whales dumping. Flip it. XRP dates ETF deadline alert? That's the avalanche. Grayscale to CoinShares, all in SEC's lap. No dumps, rotations. Coinpedia's AI forecast. 5.05 EOY on approvals alone. Pain point hit. Burned by 2024 sideways. This triangle apex is volatility's volcano. Muted volume means pressure cooker. Venture burn nails it. 3.05 October, 3.81 December. 44% conservative from 259s. Tired of the grind? Range breaks your beacon. Ever question why RSI's at 60? Bullish prelude to 2024's moonshot? History's rhyming, per Tulster's charts. Coiled spring post-legal overhang. 5 plus EOY easy. Counter to skeptics. Rates drop, ETFs greenlight. XRP thrives, not survives. Investing Haven's expert roundtable. Average 592, 2025. Up to $15 if 340 cracks. Address the ache. If 2000 XRP feels light, at $5 that's 10K. At $10, 20K. Game changer for retirement, debt wipe, or that dream vacay. Suspense peaking. What if the reveal ties to Obretor Crypto X's viral clip, 90 plus likes? All in on XRP, biggest gains loading. Hyperbole? Nah, blueprint. My insider call. Short-term Tube 90 Novi 1 on AI momentum, per O Crypto News Pod D. Medium, 5.05, Q4, Coinpedia's lock. Long, 2650, 2030, compounding adoption. But wait, ex-Goldman Dom Quox wild. $1,000 by decade's end, 31,000% from here on network effects. Crypto's live now, post-Ripple's ODL partnerships hitting 300 plus. Excitement's electric, this calculated, not casino. Analogy drop, XRP's the internet, 95. Regs choked it, but broadband flipped the script to trillions. The Crypto Squires poll today, 1,200 likes. XRP versus BNB for Bull Run Dom. Replies screaming XRP, utility trumps hype. Buy pressures spiking, per one safe, $7 whispers if volatility erupts. Excrypt 0 cents AI senses it. Major breakout, who else? Short-term POI, Tubes 80, flip, one last myth slayer. Market cap caps 10, impossible. Arumbach Meta Schools. Effective supply, 65B with escrow ironclad. Adjust for lost BTC coins, and XRP rivals thrones. XRP Avengers giveaway post, 500 likes, community roaring, spirits unbreakable. Recap, Warriors. Hooked on the 4.9% surge to 2.59, dissected the coil from 2.46 defense to 3.45 targets, threaded ETF deadlines, White House swell nods, and Garlinghouse's empire builds. Busted SEC ghosts, whale whispers, cap ceilings with Chartner TA echoes, blockchain backer vibes, forecasts to 9 EOY. Thesis? It's done. XRP's the 120T liquidity king, not a coin. Reserves thinning, ETFs looming, windows narrow fast. Imagine 2000 XRP at 5, 10K in pocket, toasting the army at 25. Uplifting core. You're not holders, you're architects of finance's future. This tribe, unbreakable. Together, we soar. If this flipped your script, smash like, feed the algo, reach the doubters. Comment your 2000 XRP play, 5K dream or 20K moonshot. Debate below. Subscribe for alpha drops. Don't sleep on surges. Share with a stacker. Tag 'em. Let's rocket XRP together, fam. Leo out. Stay unbreakable.